Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to disable the option for people to ask you questions on the Tumblr app using your phone. If you want more control over your Tumblr account and reduce unwanted messages, this tutorial will guide you through the process clearly and efficiently. First, open the Tumblr app on your mobile device. Next, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then, in the top right corner, tap on the settings icon. Scroll down through the settings until you find the option labeled Let People Ask Questions. Then, toggle this option off to disable questions from other users. Once this feature is turned off, people will no longer be able to send you questions through Tumblr. This is useful if you want to maintain privacy or reduce notifications. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.